So for today's 30-minute hustle, I have on the list clean out the washing machine drawer, clean the bathroom mirrors, counters and the containers that we have on the counters, take off the clean laundry and then put that away, then put a new load of laundry on, pick up the toys in the play area, hoover, do the dishes, clean off the dining table, and then also do the counters. So today is going to be the first day I am using my new products. So to do the dishes and wash out the container, the washing machine container, I'm going to be using my eCover washing up liquid, and then I'm going to be using Daily Kitchen by Method, the multi-surface by Method, and also the Method glass cleaner. I do have a glass microfiber cloth and also a regular microfiber cloth, but just in case I also have my multi-purpose tissue out. So if you were wondering what these are about, make sure that you check out the video I have linked below where I do a massive cleaning products haul, and you can see the new cleaning products that I have and I'm going to be testing out for the next while. So let's just jump right into today's video. And also Ava is here, so you might see her running around. Okay guys, so the 30 minutes is up. I'll just go through what I've got done from the list. So I cleaned out the washing machine drawer, I did the mirror and the counters in the bathroom, I took off a load of laundry and put it away, and then I also put on a new load. I did the dishes, the dining room table and the counters. So what I have left to do is clean the containers in the bathroom, pick up the toys here in the living room, and also hoover. So obviously I underestimated or overestimated how long it was going to take me for these tasks, but I am happy because I got a lot of stuff done. As you saw, I used my Method cleaners throughout and the e-cover washing up liquid. E-cover washing up liquid was really good. I loved the smell of the glass cleaner, and also the daily kitchen spray. So it's too early to make judgments on those things. I'll just continue to use them for the next 2 weeks or so, and then after that I will let you guys know how I like them. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel when you give everything a thumbs up. And subscribe if you are new here. I put out videos 3 days a week, and I also put out 1 blog post a week. And my blog post this week is 100 questions, 100 answers. So if you are interested in finding a little bit more out about me, please do click on that link below, and that will take you to my blog post where you can find out a little bit more about myself. And I also have an Instagram. Instagram is where I'm most active. I put up daily photos and also Insta stories, and mainly of myself and Ava. Here you can see her down here. And that's it guys, I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.